Yeah, this is Dr. R. Suresh, a guest lecturer, Tamil Nadu Physical Education and Sports University. Today, we are going to discuss about the history of physical education. The father of modern physical education in Friedrich John, the 18th century, the father of physical education in India, H.C. Berg, 1920. He is a founder of YMCA in 1920. He made a known to the physical education. He is also first Indian team manager of the Olympic in 1927, and he is a Olympic Committee, the Indian Olympic Committee members. Objectives of physical education: to make the students aware of the true meaning and the definition of the physical education. So, second one is the aim and the objectives of physical education. Third one is to they enable the student to understand the modern concept and trend of the physical education. The fourth one is to help the students to familiarize with the scope of physical education. And last one, to analyze the nature of the physical education as to whether it is an art of the science. So, so the all is the objectives of physical education. So next one is the meaning of physical education. So meaning of physical education is the word physical education is derived from the two separate words. The one is physical, another is education. The plain dictionary meaning of the word physical education relating to body, it may relate to any one or all of the body's characteristics. It may be physical strength, physical endurance, physical fitness, physical appearance, or physical health. The word education means systematic instruction or training or preparation for the life or the some particular task. The education is a doing, the phenomenon, the one learned through the doing. Education is not confined to the classroom alone. It may take place on the physical ground, in library, or even at the home. Such education is conducive to the enrichment of the individual life. So according to the Plato, the lack of the activities destroyed destroyed the good conditions of the every human being, whole movement and methodical physical exercise, save it and preserve it. Next, the definition of physical education. The physical education, an integral part of the total educational process, is a field of endeavor that has on its aim to improvement of the human performance through the medium of physical activities that have been selected with a review of the relation of the outcome, the Charles Burger, and the aim of physical education. Aim of physical education. The physical education should aim to provide skilled leadership and adequate facilities which will afford an opportunity for the individual or group to the act in situation which are physically wholesome, mentally stimulating, and satisfying and socially sound, according to the J.F. Williams. Next, objectives of physical education. In 1947, Agnes Stooley, the reviewing the literature of the various author categories, the objectives under five heads. One, health, physical or organic development. Second one is mental emotional development. Third, neuromuscular development. Fourth, social development. And fifth, intellectual development. Then the objectives, educational experience. This is a chart is very easily. The for is one side is objectives, another side is aim. These are objectives. The educative experience, your school, college, universities experience, and the personalities, already you know us very well. Neuromuscular development, moral and characteristic development, development of the useful skills, interpretive development, attitude towards leisure. So leisure is nothing but leisure is a recreation activities. The remedial values and the effective citizenships. The effective citizenship is the good society responsible and social help and social responsible. This wholesome integral part, the aim, sorry, the optimum and wholesome development of the individual for the complete living. Then Bloom and Catherwall and associate the head summarized the objectives under the three interdependent domain of the effective communicator the role. The nature and scope of the objectives. The first one is cognitive, second one is the affective, third one is the psychomotor. The cognitive means the knowledge, comprehensive, knowledge, those domain included knowledge, comprehensive applications, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation, which are the responsible for the development of the intellectual ability and skill. This objective is concerned with the increasing the knowledge, the improving the solving the ability, the clarifying the understanding, and the developing the identifying the concept as the intellectual, physical, and emotional development are closely related. The physical education program the contributed to the cognitive development by the providing the educational program and the knowledge on the modifying the behavior in the regard to good health practice by the promoting the physical fitness and by the aiding in the process and the social emotional development which lead to more positive self of the concept. The affective domain, the second one is affective domain. The affective domains, the attitude, the appreciation of the values, the provide the ways in which the sports person will make their adjustment to themselves and their group, as every physical activity is a rich social and emotional experience. The physical education group will develop to physique. This domain is primarily concerned with helping the athlete to clarify the things thought, their values, the interest, appreciation, attitude, and judgment. The objectives help to developing the proper and positive attitude and appreciation towards physical education and physical activity. It lays stress on the individual's value system, the philosophy and the adjustment, the patterns that are the basic of the maturity. It helps to individual to move from the social and emotional immaturities and maturities. Then change. Psychomotor domain. This, this domain can be divided into the two board of areas. The domain concerned with the development of the improvement of the motor skill. Psychomotor learning is the heart of the physical education experience and the result in the achievements, the general motor ability as well as the selective skills in various activities. These objectives is concerned with the developing body awareness and making physical movement efficiency, the graceful, aesthetic, and useful with the little of the expenditure of the energy. As the positive, it also deal with development, body control, coordinations, agility, balance, sense, direction, and vigor through the physical activities. The organic domain, it is sub divided into two. One is organic domain, another is motor domain. The organic domain, it is concerned with the physical fitness, health, and vigor along with the development of the stamina through the physical activities. The motor domain, it I concerned with the development of the body control and the coordination of the enabling the individual to the performing with the grace ease of the efficiency. The modern concept, the trend of physical education, The 19th century was an extraordinary period of the development in terms of the both deals, both ideals about sports and fitness and physical education. The muscular activity and the competition became not only acceptable but favorable. The moral development began to the began to be tied to sports and fitness. The great historical influence on contemporary physical education was the progressive education movement of the earlier 20th century, and physical education come, came to be the considered valuable school subject, integral part of the educational, the children and youth. Progressive education was the first of the recognize and understanding the vital role of the physical play activity might have the normal healthy development. Another major influence was the growth of the sports and its acceptance into the school and university curriculum. Sports participation was defined as having potentially strong educational values. Physical education also changed, moving quickly from the strong emphasis on the gymnastics and the fitness to one that included individual and sports. The educational through the physical was the dominant curricular philosophy for the 20th century, and the portable objectives of physical education development, physical, motor, mental, and social development had the dominated thinking in the physical education. Scope of physical education. This is very importance of the topic. The broadly physical education program can divided into four parts. One is service program, second one is intramural program, third one is extramural program, and fourth one is the fitness and recreation program. This service program is this program lays emphasis on the instructional aspect. The bodies provide the knowledge about physical education. It also provides knowledge about health and hygiene, the nature and the environment, and socially, the biologically and psychological principle of the physical education. That is called the service program. The next one is the intramural program. This program provides opportunity to develop the skill through the physical activities within within a group, the club or society or the community, the village or the institutions. That is called the intramural program. The extramural program, the it affords opportunity to interacting as well as reach experience through the competitions in between groups, the club, societies, community, and the village of the institutions. So next one is the fitness and the recreation program. This the fitness and the recreation program is to fulfill the need of the honor. For example, health, fitness for the all different and various program that provide fun, thrill, action, activity, and skill to the individuals, the enabling them to meet the individual need. They decide to provide the emotional outlook. This keeping in view of the requirements of the individuals and a group of the following activities have been included in the physical educational program. For example, athletics, all the track and field for running and jumping and throwing, the individual and the team games, the indoor games, table tennis, the badminton, squash, etc. The outdoor game means the football, kabaddi, hockey, cricket, coco, and etc. The competitive, the combined and self-defense game, the boxing, judo, wrestling, fencing, horse riding, etc. The akudas, the swimming, diving, water polo, etc. The minor games, the free play, the carom, duck and bone, and etc. The gymnastics, the Roman rings, the vaulting horse, the parallel bars, etc. The corrective and the rehabilitative exercise, the exercise prescribed by the doctor from the defect or injury, for example, flat foot, round shoulder, knocking knee, the etc. The folk dance, the Bharatanatyam, Kummi, Kathakali, Jambor, Garda, etc. The traditional exercise, dance, Pythax, Malcolm, pyramids, the etc. The recreational activities, the camps, paintings, parties, woodworking, the etc. The adventure of the activities, the excursion, tours, trips, camps, the mount training, etc. The demonstration, drills, marching, locomotive formation, and etc. So there are the physical education importance and the aim, objectives, and the scope of physical education for the subject. So thank you very much. இதில் நிப்பாட்டி நம்புறோம்ல
நிப்பாட்டி
இதில் நிப்பாட்டிடுறேன்.
ஸ்க்ரீன் ஷேர் சார்.